It is Tuesday, July 22nd, about 10:15 in the morning, and here we go again, and it's worse than it's been in a while. I've had the pump running all night, and you can see it is saturated all the way up to the house. There you have it. I wish I had a zoom on this camera, but it just stops right out there. It does not drain, causing a backwash to our property. You can see the backyard is just totally flooded. And behind us, it is just saturated. I don't know how much more documentation I'm going to do, but this is getting just totally ridiculous that nothing is being done about this. Again, there's your backwash coming right back at us. Pump's been running all night. Thank goodness it's not in the house yet, but I can tell you the slab is going to be undermined, and then there's going to be problems.